scary.
What, my power in picture? No.
Want to borrow these?
We should do a film on this game. Steve, can I do a film on this? It's so please have
Where's that gone?
You don't need to know what he said, just because you're not to listen to him. Then you start
We have Josh. For English now.
Can I have a yogurt, please?
Yogurt, yes, of course.
And do you want quick breakfast? Yeah.
She wants good breakfast as well.
Yes?
After my yogurt, could I have a quick breakfast? Is that alright?
Of course.
Could I have beans, sausage, and hash brown, please?
Do you just have your sausage?
What?
Do you just have your
Ham and
sausage
eggs.
in there? On a plate?
White or brown?
Are you serious?
Brown, please.
Thank you very much.
Not even anything.
Thank you.
Not even anything.
You're not going to want to get annoyed with
Oh no. Where? They're here on the table. What have you done? It's recording.